2 individuals lost their lives as torrential rains triggered flash floods, transforming Istanbul's streets into tumultuous rivers overnight. Media sources reported that the storm caused partial flooding of the subway and necessitated the evacuation of numerous individuals from the city's library. The deluge has wrought havoc, with over 1,000 reports of damage from local residents. While Turkish authorities have yet to provide a precise assessment of the disaster's scale, the visuals are telling.
Her şey gitti, her şey.
Ayşe'nin rüyayla boğulmuş çocuğa bakılsanamazım ya. Ayşe'nin bir Allah'ım ben ne yapacağım ya. Allah'ım ben ne yapacağım, ne yapacağım.
These heavy rains followed an unusually dry summer, which led to a 9-year low in water levels in the city's reservoirs, affecting a population of 16 million. In addition to the casualties in Istanbul, Turkey's emergency services reported that 2 more individuals lost their lives and 4 others were missing in flooding that affected another Turkish town, Kırklareli.